Oh, hi. Nice to see ya. It's been a while. That's my fault, obviously. Haven't posted in a little bit. Had a few people reach out, some fans, some patrons, some friends, just wondering where the crap I've been and why I haven't been posting stuff. So yeah, I'm alive, I'm okay. You know, I'm still struggling with the whole functioning as a human being and an adult and running a business and getting things done issue, but it's just my life. Other than that, I'm fine. I always worry that people are gonna get like super worried. I'm okay, I swear. I've just been overwhelmed and stressed out, but honestly, what else is new? I mean, I put out a video every 6 months saying that exact same thing.
I feel a little burned out.
So it's good to know I'm consistent in that way, right? Yeah. Anyway, this video isn't gonna be just me rambling about how dysfunctional I am. That we're done with that part. Next part is going to be some juggling. Despite having a lot of like mental blocks in terms of creating content, I've actually been feeling pretty creative with juggling lately, so that's nice. I mean, don't get your hopes up. I'm not a super creative juggler anyway, but for me, it's been fun to sort of explore some new patterns and some new concepts, and I wanted to show you what I've been working on. Partly because I need to make a video, but mostly because if I don't put them on video, I will forget them forever. Before I do that, I do want to say I am trying to make more content. I have some more tutorials coming out soon. I'm sorry it's been taking so long, but I really, really appreciate you all sticking around and showing me so much support, especially the members of my Patreon. Every day I wake up just incredibly thankful and amazed, honestly, that people still support what I do, even when I'm sort of failing a lot. So thank you. All right, so juggling. So I've been mostly exploring a bunch of Claymotion and MicroJuggling type tricks, a lot of multiplexes. Hopefully it's not too boring or repetitive. All right. Ball. A lot of these are probably going to be very ugly, very chaotic looking. They're really hard and they feel good, and so deal with it. Also, some of them may not look that impressive until you realize the colors are changing, because there's a lot of subtle changes going on. So if you think it's really boring, just take a second and appreciate the color changes. Because that's the whole point. It's not an impressive looking trick unless you see that. Sorry. Colors are changing. That's why it's impressive. It's not impressive otherwise. But I like it. hot in here. Jeez. Okay, so one of my favorite tricks is Kotaro's twist. It's fantastic. I love it. I have a tutorial coming out soon on that. I've been exploring some sort of variations of it. Again, I'm sure they've been done before, but they're new to me. Okay, this one is hard. It's basically like a reverse Kotaro's twist. Oh, it's so hard. All right, this next one, it's not even close to being done. I'm trying really hard to do a 4-ball Kotaro's twist. This doesn't look good, but I just want to be able to do it. So hard. It's not good, but it's the start, kind of. No, it's not. This next set is sort of exploring the idea of popping a ball instead of catching it. It's inspired by Sunnyside Up, where you're popping that ball. Right, coming to the end, which is good because it's hot. It's very hot in here. Let's do some 5-ball stuff. This is gonna look even more chaotic and messy than the last stuff, but deal with it. All right, well, I think that's all of the new ones that I've been playing around with lately. I'm sure I forgot something, and I'm sure some of them aren't really new. They're just new to me. You know, I highly encourage all of you to just play around and try to come up with variations and not worry about whether they've been done before. Odds are they have, but they're new to you, and it's really great for your brain to come up with new patterns on your own. So that's what these all were for me. I'm very tired. It's hot in here, okay? It's 93 degrees right now. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Some of those tricks will probably end up in bigger, more official compilations, but hopefully it was fun to see and maybe inspired you to try some of them as well. I did upload this video in 60 frames a second, so if you wanted to try to learn one of these tricks, you can slow it down and it should look pretty crisp. Like I said, be on the lookout for my Kotaro's twist tutorial coming soon. And thank you again to all of my patrons and all of you who have stuck around and subscribed and watched my channel despite being very inconsistent. I appreciate it. And I will see you soon. I promise. I promise. Yeah, I will. I will. My mouth is so dry. Maybe if you drink real water instead of LaCroix, Taylor. You can't make me. No, I do. I drink real water.